I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to change the color of a container box on Wix website. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video without wasting any seconds. So we're going to have to click on this add elements here, this button, and then here we have box, then here we have container. Okay, so box, container, I'm going to click on a box here, on container, and here we have change design. I'm going to click on this button. And then here we have customize design. I'm going to click on that. And here I have fill color and opacity. So here we can decrease the opacity, the background, and then I can change the color from here. So now I can change this color, or I can edit this theme colors if I want to, or I can go back here, change design, and then customize, and then here I can add my own color, and then here let's say I'll go with this one, and then I can apply this color. So it's very simple, guys. Don't worry, I didn't know at first where is this located, where is this setting located. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.